All right, welcome back to Basin Motorsports. For today on Real Talk, let's talk about the struggle. You've all probably heard the saying that the struggle is real. And in car building, that is an absolute truth. If you guys have watched all 80-something episodes of me building my dream, the wide-body Ford Fox body Mustang I call Wide Fox, you know there have been days that I have struggled with this car. How long did it take me? 80-something hours to put this body kit together with all the modifications just to make it fit the way I wanted it to fit. All the wiring I've done, upgrades for putting in a new fuel-injected engine, drivetrain, fuel system. It's all there. Nothing really just bolts in. It's all like it kind of fits and you got to modify it to make it work. So with that, today I just want to remind everybody that when you're building custom cars, and a lot of times it's something this small that should fit but doesn't, to something like this where everything's bolt in but yet nothing really fits. It all kind of goes in and you've got to modify a lot of stuff to make it work. You got to remember, if you want to build cars and really anything in life, nothing comes easy. The best things in life are not free. They are going to take a lot of work and they're going to take a lot of struggle. So you've got to take it upon yourself to really enjoy the struggle of building, creating, and sometimes to get to where you want, you've got to break the rules and do what you need to do to get it done. So remember that. The tip of the day is enjoy the struggle because it's going to happen. And if it frustrates you to the point where you want to quit, then it's really no fun. So that's it from Basin Motorsports. Enjoy the struggle. It's a requirement. We'll see you next time.